which altcoins I'm buying, where I have been buying. They're, favorites from Trump all the way to Coinbase, a number of the best, strongest altcoins, such as Virtues, AAVE, Link, Sway, all those coins that you guys want to know about that I would be buying if we did have a crash of Bitcoin into the 80K or even 75K area. If you don't know what Virtues is yet, it's basically the #1 narrative leader for AI agents. But on this day, on January 2nd, I told my Discord, I said, it's going to pull back. How do I know? Because I can see what CZ is doing at Binance. They listed a number of AI agents, and they're basically trying to, on futures, not spot, crash it back down. But anyways, look at the progress right now. It got down to as much as $2.90. So the level I told folks to watch out for support is around this 320 area, low $3. We had that big bounce there, and then Bitcoin came up with bad news and bad news. So we've closed below, second close below. So we're now below that support line, so it could go even lower, and a wick above, retest, and lower it could go. This support line's been broken, this support line's been broken, so the next natural support line is somewhere around here, somewhere around $2. It may not get there. So if you really like this one, because it's a good one to get into, it's the leader of the largest narrative in AI right now, which is AI agents. So then I would say we could try this $2.70 area. Why? Because this $2.70 area is the 50% retrace of this entire move, right? And 270 is a 50% retrace of this entire move. And 270 is also a 0.382 retrace of this entire move. So basically, next support area, 6270 area. So that would be a good one to get into. This is AAVE we're going to look at. I would buy this if it pulls back a little bit more, because AAVE and Chainlink are the two coins. Trump likes it, he's bought it, Coinbase likes it, and Grayscale, they also bought it for their trust. So it's AAVE and Link are those two special coins. Now, just an update on AAVE. AAVE, basically we said, that's wait for the pullback. Last time we said, first line of support is here around 299. Because these can be deep pullbacks, I said, just be careful. It could easily get to this 257, 258 area, and it looks like we are going to the 250s. We've already hit 274 right now, because this support line, and it's kind of important because see how 300 area was, look at this, support, 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 right? Pivot top, and then you come here and support here as well, and it's been broken, right? These were wicks down. This is 3 closes now. Down below, we had a wick above and got rejected, right? Retest, and so we could easily come to here. Now, AAVE pulling back from $400 down to $250 starts to look attractive at around this level. If you're a futures trader, and when it bounces to 300, same idea again, probably take some off, shave some off, and then, if you want to ride it for it to get into the high 300s, that's up to you. But as I've been saying, buy the support level, right? Sell the resistance. Now let's have a look at Link. It's got a shoulder, head, shoulder pattern, and the neckline is somewhere like you can draw it here or you can draw it here, right? It's not a science, it's an art form. I did say, you guys do remember that I said it's going to come down, break it, but a bounce up there, and that was the chance to get out or to short, right? This 23.5 area, right? And that's indeed what happened. Boom, now we're here. It's significant. It's a significant support area. So basically, I said when this neckline breaks, right, because it's $10, that distance, right, is $10 here on the neckline. So when this breaks at $22, $21 area, it's basically going to $10 to $12 area. Let's say 12. I think I said $12 area, right? Around there. That's the target. That's the technical target for Chainlink. If it got there, it would be an amazing buy, because that's like, near the $12 would be near the side, the range we had between August and November. Massive pullback. But from memory, in my video, I said, I'm not confident it can go down that far, even though that's what the technical targets are telling us. So around this 1650 area, probably first target to pick some up, And then certainly this 1450 area. There's a lot of support around this 1450 area. If you really like Link, if you like what Trump is doing and you really want to get in, then this 19.3 area. If you're buying spot, let's try to have bids on 2 or even 3 different support levels below, because you can smash through that support level and go even lower. And one way to do it is to pyramid in, basically, say have, $5 buying at this level, but then have $10 buying at this level, have $20 buy at this level. So it may not get there, but the lower it goes, the more we're buying. That's the system I use sometimes, right? But not financial advice. You guys do what do you want. None of this is financial advice. Okay, let's have a look at SUI. SUI, SUI. Look at this. I mean, it hasn't even broken the trend yet. Like, it's on many of the days when Bitcoin was dumping, SUI was like really pumping. Something big is happening on SUI. I picked it up, a few weeks ago, and it's just been, kind of hard to stop. They not saying it can't break this red trend line, support trend line, but it's, look at this. This is from 438 to 488, and here's an obvious resistance, 491, and just pumped right through it. Big bottoming tails above blue line of support, above red trend line of support, and we could bounce up and see a new high here for SUI. Once it gets above this 540 area, then it's basically just in price. Yeah, it's not that far away in price discovery territory. So SUI is still looking strong. Where I start getting worried is if it breaks this red line, then it becomes like virtues. And then the line to watch out for is this 492 area. Once again, buying off the trend line. That would have worked, right? Buying off the trend line here, right, on the pullback. Or we can try to identify support levels. This links up a lot of bottoms and tops. This 389, 390 area will be the first support level if this blue and red line breaks down. One more, let's have a look at HBAR. HBAR basically is kind of like XRP. It's one of those coins that's been picked by Trump, right? Look how strong this is. In my last video and in Discord, I've been saying HBAR, let's get it around the $2.40, 24, 25 area, right, for the bounce. And so far, I mean, like, that's a really big bullish flag so far. It hasn't gone down like a lot of the other coins. Started off resistance 37 cents, pulled back to 24 cents. I picked up a lot around there, adding to my bags. So folks might remember that in my Discord, that around the time in 2022, basically around this 5 cents area, basically what the SEC did was, you may remember this, what the SEC did was basically they came out and named 50 coins, 50 crypto coins that they said were securities. It's a list of 50. You can Google it. It's around that time, end of 2022, right? And that crashed so many coins. HBAR included, dropped to like 5 cents. And in my Discord, we picked up a bunch of those, and we've been holding it since then. Some folks might have gotten impatient and sold, but the narrative on HBAR is becoming so bullish, I'm adding to my position. This is my first ad since then, and it was done. I think, pretty sure I made a video about this, if not, at least in Discord, told you guys, right, around this area, and it's still looking like we could get a dip to this area again, 25 cents, be good for another pickup, and then I would say 25 and 19 cents. It's also the bottom of this flag. Thank you for your time, folks, and I'll do more altcoins for the next episode, because right now I'm trying to get everyone informed about where Bitcoin could go, and if there is a dump, I would like to catch those altcoins. So it'll be more altcoins for next episode as well. Catch you for next one.